Girl, I know you from somewhere, baby. Really, I'm lying, girl, you know I just want your number, baby. I'm seeing the look in your eyes, girl, you know that you done for, cause we both know the answer.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the fam. You might as well subscribe, you're already here. Today's video is going to be a first impressions. I've got a few new bits and bobs of makeup, including this gorgeous Revolution palette. This is new, but I've been using it for months now. It's the MERCIER translucent powder, which you already know I'm obsessed with. And last but certainly the start of the show is this MAC X Patricia Bright collab. And honestly, I'm so excited to try this out. I'm gonna swatch it. I'm gonna show you what look I'd wear with it. I had to get this from my home girl, Patricia. I mean, she doesn't know who I am. Actually, she does know who I am. I've actually met her or whatever, like twice, and the second time she remembered who I was, and I was extremely gassed. But yeah, so I've always loved Patricia, so of course I had to support, and it's just an amazing product anyway, and I'm just so happy for her. So yeah, if you guys haven't got it already, then go out and support your girl. You guys know that she's an OG. I believe this is like a nude brown, perfect for women of color, perfect for like all skin tones, which I'm all for. So let's try it out. If you're interested, then keep on watching and let's go. So I'm gonna go quite glam with this look. So to start from my transition, I'm gonna start with this shade here, and then I'm gonna go this shade and then darken it up with this shade and then put this in the middle. I'm gonna start with a really fluffy brush. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this shade right here as a transition. So I'm gonna start with that on my transition. Oh, from the jump, this palette is so pretty. Like, this shade is blending in absolutely seamless. Colors are just so pretty. Okay, so I've blended that out with this kind of tapered brush. I'm going to go in with this terracotta shade right here, and then I'm just gonna, you know, pack it on in the crease. It's good to have a tapered brush because you have a lot more precision, and then you can blend it out with a fluffy brush. I'm just using a really big fluffy brush. So this one I'm going to use a tapered brush for. I'm using it for this darker brown here in the crease to darken it up a little bit. These brushes are so cool because they have like a brush on both sides, so they just save so much space. But yeah, so I'm going to use my LA Pro Girl concealer and Fawn to just cut the crease for the glitter shade. This brush is really nice and flat, so it's perfect for this. I like to start in the middle and draw a line, and then just make like a semicircle around it. So now I'm going to go in with this beautiful shade. I'm just going to pack it onto my brush and then pack it onto my lid. You see all this fallout? This is why I like to do my eyeshadow first, because ain't nobody got time for fallout when you've got a full beat already. That's not cute. It's not Luxe's. Honey. The pigmentation has me shaking. I'm living. Yes, for this pigment. I can't believe this palette's full. It's £8. Like, what is that? That's a joke. I'm going to go in with some liquid liner, because I really want a dramatic look tonight, you know. I want to go all out, darling. I'm not making it too thick though, just thick enough. A little bit like me and my body type, you know. My Luxe Glitz palette. I'm going to add a little bit of glam just in the middle, you know, for some, you know, I'm here, I've arrived. Crazy. It does make a major difference. These lashes are from Young Royale on Instagram. I'll leave it in the description box. I'm about to fly away with these lashes. Like, dramatic or what? Shining, 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 shining. In the words of Patricia Bright. Guys, I'm 100% sure you can see me from outer space today. So if I get abducted, then it's not my fault. Then blame it on the highlight. Okay, so my makeup is pretty much done now and it's time to move on to the lips. I'm so excited. So as I do with any lip, I'm going to start by lining them, and I'm using a brown lip liner. This is from Natural Collection. So I'm going to line my lips with this dark chocolate brown. Gotta get that Cupid's bow. Smudge that out a little bit. Okay, so now we're moving on to the lips. This is what the packaging looks like. I love the packaging. It's so luxe. It's shiny. Very on brand for Patricia with her shining, 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 shining. All of that. This is my first MAC lipstick, so it's monumental, you know. Anyway, this is what the packaging looks like. It's the regular MAC branding. So the shade is super gorgeous brown, like a cranberry brown, and I think it's gonna be perfect for the autumn. This is how much comes in this tube. So let's get on to the application. I feel like it's a bit darker than what I imagined it to be, because on the tube it looks a bit terracotta brown, but on it's a lot deeper, and I'm here for every single second of it. So the formula is nice and creamy. It's not too matte, it's not drying, which I'm not really a fan of really super dry lipsticks anymore, which is why I've stopped wearing liquid matte lipsticks, because I'm just over it. This is still very moisturizing, creamy, but still matte looking. So I think it's pretty perfect. Like, I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of blush just to match, tie the whole look together. I'm gonna use that same Revolution palette, this lovely brownish terracotta shade, which is a perfect blush color, and it just ties the whole look together very nicely. It's more bronzing, I feel like. Add a little bit on the nose. Yeah, stunning. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. So my final thoughts on the new makeup. I tried this eyeshadow palette. I think it's absolutely gorgeous and absolutely worth the purchase. I think it's about £5 to £8. Highly recommend it. You should definitely go to a Superdrug near you and cop it. Absolutely amazing, pigmented, minimal fallout, and just 10 out of 10. This lipstick as well, I'm absolutely obsessed with. You guys know that I live for brown lipsticks, like brown lip glosses, brown lipsticks, nude. This is my cup of tea, cup of cocoa, cup of hot chocolate, cup of soup, honey. So I really love it. And it also makes your teeth so white, and I'm just like, look at it, I'm just gonna take like this all day long. I think it goes beautifully with the look as well in general. The texture is absolutely stunning. I haven't tried lipstick like this before. It's a perfect combination of matte and like cream. I can't explain it. It's really good. The product overall is absolutely 10 out of 10. Highly recommend it. And yeah, that is all I have to say for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like it, comment and subscribe for more of these videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.